Hi everyone! Today, I'm excited to share another fun little game made with Unity, Stack Cube. In this game, you can keep stacking cubes higher and higher, until everything comes crashing down. It's a simple and relaxing casual game with clean visuals and easy controls, the kind of game I personally love. I've carefully added lots of small details to make it more fun, realistic collapse physics, special effects when cubes align perfectly, and a 3D rotatable camera. All of these make the game much more enjoyable, and I hope you'll like it as much as I do. This Unity asset includes a complete game template, fully editable, you can customize and expand it as you like, all in-game resources, scripts, UI, sounds, and effects, well-commented code for easy understanding, ready to publish on iOS and Android, compatible with URP, and easily adaptable to other render pipelines, just tweak the materials. I placed the purchase link in the video description and pinned comment, hope it's helpful to you. Creating this kind of content takes time and passion, so if you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll keep sharing more interesting Unity game assets. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.